Guys, welcome to Vijay Views. In this video, I would like to talk about smartphone risk, which recently I've seen an article, and the famous technical Guruji who has spoken about this. I'm not copying his topic here, but I'm trying to explain that how we can be safe. The brand which is having an issue right now, there are totally 3 brands. All 3 are Chinese company. There's no Chinese thing involved in this. Let me tell you the company names. The company are Techno Mobile. Already we have it here, and Infinix, that also we have here, and ITEL, if I'm pronouncing it correctly. The brand is ITEL. So all these 3 phones are sold in Africa or other places also. The main issue which was raised is from Africa, where the malwares are pre-installed and the user monies are being stolen. So they are stealing the money in the way of the subscription of the application which is being used in the smartphone. It might be Netflix or Amazon Prime. This kind of application which customers are using it, the users, that has been shown as the subscription amount, and they are stealing the money. This is in Africa, but in India we do use this 2 brands. ITEL, I don't think so we have it. We have Infinix and Techno Mobile. So these phones, if it is under that high risk, why we are selling it? Online platforms are selling it without any issues. I don't see any complaint from Indian users as well. But I request you to check your bank accounts. If there's any mistransaction is happening, please report to the relevant team from Techno Mobiles or the government. Please inform them that this is the issues happening. On Twitter you can share it, or Facebook you can share it, and other social media platforms. And when we are speaking about Chinese application, when we are able to ban it, even though they didn't had any issues, we can speak they had a problem, everything, but they didn't had any issues. We banned, and right now we think we are not under risk. Already 2 mobiles which is in the country, they can create a problem. So as a user, I request you to check your accounts, bank accounts once. If there is any mistransaction, please inform the Technomobile company or the government, so that you can be safe. If this video was useful to you, please share it with your friends. I'll see you on the next video. Always wear a mask when you step outside. Maintain social distancing. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for supporting me.